Hey everybody, it's Live Where You Play guy here with your Live Where You Play property of the week. Hey, guess what? This week we're in Aurora and I have a great little first-time home buyer type of condo for you. We're here at Sable Cove over here in Aurora, and this is a cute little 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Can't wait to get you inside. This is a cool little community. So without further ado, let's go check it out. All right, so welcome to 922 Dearborn Way. We're in the Sable Cove condominium complex over here. This is near 225, Highway 225 and Mississippi. So as you drive in here, this is a pretty clean complex. It's got plenty of parking. It's got pool and a clubhouse. And this unit number 9 is on the back side, so it's nice and quiet. And you can crest the stairs here. This is the second level, and it's really got its own kind of like private entrance here. But as you go in, you'll notice the open layout, lots of windows here, tons of passive light, and it is vaulted ceilings. And there's a balcony, we'll take you out there in a minute, and a real fireplace here, so that is actually wood burning. And another view here of the living room. Check out the floors. They got nice wood floors that have been updated and a fireplace mantle there. And then out on the balcony, check this out. You're enjoying your breakfast or your coffee out here, and it looks over into kind of the backside of the complex here. So it is a little quieter back here, as I did say. And also on this balcony is a big storage area, so you got plenty of room in here for your toys, your bike, snowboard. Coming back inside, you get a view of, this is 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 925 square feet, by the way, but the master bedroom is upstairs, so we'll show you that in a minute. And this lower level just kind of segues from the living room into the kitchen, and this is all nicely updated. She's done such a good job here. Granite countertops, updated cabinets, some nice hardware on the cabinets, stainless steel package of the appliances, and there's a custom backsplash here and a nice sink. So it's a good open concept here, and all these appliances do come with, including washer dryer. And the owner had invested in this Nest thermostat, which is great. And there is a storage closet here, which you could use as a pantry. Basically, is the best way to probably use this. Keep all your food in there. It's pretty big, lots of shelves. And then coming out of the kitchen, you have a main floor bedroom. She's currently using it as an office, obviously here, but it does have a closet and a window. Nice and quiet in here. This has all been kind of custom painted. It's a little smaller, but it would be a good kid's bedroom if you wanted to use it as a bedroom. And then across the hall, we're showing the closet here, sorry. Yeah, nice closet there, and across the hall is a full bath. So they've upgraded the vanity here. It's got tile floor, it's got a full tub and shower, and all pretty well updated. And then the cool part is this door here leads to the hot water heater, which also has a lot of storage back here. Look how much room is back there. You could do shelves. Once again, it's kind of a hidden area, but it's plentiful. And this vanity was updated in the last few years. And then washer dryer right here. So these are this is included as well in the sale. A little bit of storage above there. And now let's take you upstairs to the master suite. So this is a loft style bedroom. You could enclose it, other people have. This one is not enclosed, that is. But it's got room for a king or queen size bed. We'll show you over what it looks like from above. And there's your skylight. If you wanted more privacy, you could drywall right here. But it works pretty well as an open concept, I think. And you do get another balcony upstairs. So you get one downstairs, and then you know, you wake up in the morning and you can come out here and sit as well. Let's see. I'm ahead of myself, but as we come out here, you can see this balcony. Just a little sitting area, and there's also adjacent that door, this walk-in closet. And then finally, the second bathroom is up here. It has a similar upgraded vanity and a full bath, shower and tub combo. And there is an exterior door here which actually goes to the third level right there. So if you wanted to actually access your bedroom from the third floor of the condo complex, you could. Well, that was it. 922 South Dearborn Way, Unit 9, over here in Sable Cove, condo community here in Aurora. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I was able to just tour the facility a little bit, and I found the pool over here. So it's a cool little place. If you're looking to get into the Denver market and do it affordably, I think this is a great option for you. This is going to be listed like just over 200,000, and it's got a really reasonable HOA as well. So remember, those HOAs cover, you know, the pool and the exterior maintenance and the water and the sewer. So all that is part of your monthly fee, and it's actually pretty reasonable over here at Sable Cove. So if you'd like to get inside, let me know. My name is Brian Dixon with Live Where You Play Real Estate. And if you know our market, you know you should call sooner than later. I'll talk to you soon. As always, I invite you to live where you play. We'll see you next time.